Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do, courtesy of Chairlin on Amazon Prime. They have one of these bad boys. Nice little office chair or a gaming chair, either or. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. And also take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. They'll get this shipped in no time. So we will see. I'm going to try to put it together on camera. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's an easy setup. Here we go. Got the cutting down pat. There we go. And we got that cut right there. Right there. There we go. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Oops. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, a little sharp. Be careful when you pick this up. That's for the bottom of the chair, for the base. Put that on the side. We got the backing. Ooh. And we got the padding for your body. Go, put that down there. And we got more good stuff in here. Some kind of steel frame. That's for the bottom. What do we have here? Oh, that's a back arm bar. Now we got a little easy setup. Bada boom. Oh, we got the wheels. Wheels on the bus. Go round and round. Here we go. And we got up the arms. I'm gonna clean this up and then start recording. So bear with me. I'll be right back. Make sure that part is done. Oh geez, timber. Here we go. I'll put you on pause. I'm gonna sort this out. Hold on. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got the first base down, laid out. That's how it goes. You gotta push these into these little clamps right there. I'm just showing it this side, and then the bottom part. This is the bottom right here. So this is how it looks. That's where that piece goes, and it clips onto those little pieces. I'll be right back. Alright, here's the bottom base, what it looks like. Kind of looks like a peace sign. Got that bling to it, really nice. And in case there's any description codes, I'll be having a link down below with the code. Got some definitely bling to it. Here we go. Top and bottom's done. I'll be right back. Alright, now we got the bottom. We got the arms right there. We got to line it up with the two holes. One hole there, one hole there. Same with the other side. See those two holes? It'll be easy screwing. Then that's where the the wheelbase goes and everything. Right, those fills. And I'll be back to show you what that part looks like. Oops, sorry about that. I had the wrong side showing in the other part. But this is the part you want to see, the bottom side. And it has the long screws, and you use this tool. Really cool. It's got a twist. Make sure it's nice and snugged. This thing holds up to 300 pounds, so really cool. Right there. And then, like I said, I'm going to finish this off. And then, if those parts are done, hold on one sec. This is what the bottom should look like right now. Got the two arms, and then, like I said, do the back end. And then put it on that bad boy. We'll be done in a few. See ya. Alright, for the back hookup, just gotta line it up. Take that part, slide it down that side. And then you gotta even it up with the holes. And then gotta screw them in. I'll be right back. Alright, here it is, the handle part. Make sure it's lined up even with the holes. Gotta get them right down in there. And then its bottom goes out to the side. And I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. Here it is all put together. This is the back support. The lumbar goes up to like 2 inches. So really cool. Just slide it up. Adjust it wherever your back is. Got the screws in. Got these in. Oops. That one's. And those are in. Really nice. Got a nice wheels on it. Got the chrome finish. And there's the latch right there to raise it up. Oops, see? And when you sit in it, it goes down. So really cool. A really nice office chair for your business, for your home, for your college dorm. So really cool. And like I said, you might need somebody to help you with, but I pretty much found a way to do it easy. There you go. Really cool. It is really comfortable too, the padding. Nice cushion for your cushion. So really nice spinneroonie. There you go. Push it back a little bit more. Get in the picture. There you go. Got the chrome. Alright, YouTubers, there it is. The office chair from Chairlin on Amazon Prime. Get one out at low cost. Click on links down below. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe and see you back tomorrow.